You can't solve this question? Your friend will help. How many girls have you dated? Oh, right, 0. Hey! Your hands touch. You feel the magic. Hey, what's up? Are you blind? When I go to college,
Yeah!
my professors love me. But in reality, oh man, college is such a cruel place. In the college of my dreams, all the boys are smoking hot. The professors and the students. It's raining men! My locker is going to be the neatest, tidiest, and best organized.
I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes.
What a nightmare! This is my locker? It keeps getting stuck. No big deal. I'll fix it with some gum.
Oh.
But every day after class, I just... Would you like to take a nice shower? Joe. Whoa. 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 Clean socks, right here in the top drawer. In reality, I have no idea how to get ready for class so early in the morning. I haven't washed my socks since... summer break. Good thing I have a roommate. The professor is giving the perfect lecture. All the students are here today and ready to ask and answer questions. Amazing work! Is he in the...
Less than an hour ago, Milwaukee authorities said that they have positively identified 5 more victims found in a Northside apartment. They revealed the name of one victim, a 23-year-old man from Chicago, but the other names won't be released until relatives are notified. Now, yesterday,
in reality, the students didn't even attend the class. It's so quiet in here. Unfortunately, the best thing on a real-life student's menu is one sad sausage. Don't get distracted either. There are plenty of starving students in the dorm. Hey, where's my... Oh, I see. I'm on a diet today. What are those noises? An earthquake?
bodies were found in an apartment of Jeffrey Dahmer.
Determined that the suspect may well have been involved in at least 17 homicides.
About the mutilated bodies found in a Milwaukee apartment.
End of messages.
Did you like our stories about college life? Then comment below and tell us what you expected about college and whether your expectations matched up with reality.